If you're looking for a cozy, elegant, approachable, modern vanilla scent that bridges sweetness with sophistication for a nice balance, it's warm without being heavy, and it makes a beautiful signature scent, especially in the cooler seasons, I got you. This is her. Welcome back, Scent Squad. Emerald C here to spray La Vie Est Belle Vanille Nude. I'm going to spray her right on the back of my hand. We're going to waft it a little bit. Oh, and immediately I smell vanilla. It's like vanilla cupcake inspired, but more like elegant and luxurious. And it has less sugar than like a lot of traditional gourmand, so I do love that. It's a beautiful, beautiful silky scent. Now, if you love fragrances, I encourage you to join the Emerald C fragrance family and hit the subscribe button. We're going to jump right into our scent notes. We have top notes of solar notes. This is what you're going to traditionally smell first, as well as jasmine. The jasmine in this scent is very bright, it's warm, and it's floral. And it has a twinge of like a nice sunlit quality while having a little speck of powder, just a little bit. Now, our heart notes or our secondary notes, bourbon vanilla, which is another one of my top 10 favorite fragrance notes in fragrances. It's very creamy, rich, cozy, and it's honestly like the heart of the scent. Now, base notes. This is what we're going to smell at dry down. We have white musk. It's very soft, it's clean, it's skin-like, and also very comforting. Followed by sandalwood, which is warm, smooth, and slightly woody. Now, together, it balances out very well to be like a musky floral with like vanilla gourmand and a soft radiance. It's elegant, but it's still very cozy. The best season to wear this fragrance, fall and winter, hands down. Because if you wear it in the summertime, it's so strong, it's going to be cloying. It's going to be too overwhelming. This is great for a nice fall or winter day where the sun is not out and you're not overheating and it's just too much. Being a feminine, elegant scent, I would say the age range for this is 40 and up. So if you love vanilla scents and you're 40 and up, this right here is that age range. You guys always kill me when I say it's the age range, but that's the reality. I feel it fits well in there. And it is geared more towards women, so it is more of a feminine scent. How long does it last on your skin? 6 to 9 hours. This scent will last about 6 to 9 hours on your skin, and it radiates. The sillage is pretty much around the bubble around your body. It's not a room-filling scent. It sits close, so I say it radiates anywhere from like 4 to 6 feet around your body. The perfect occasion to wear her, cozy date nights, outings, work days when you want like a gentle, comforting scent, or anytime you want a refined vanilla that's not cloying, something that's not too overwhelming, but still has layers and dimensions. Not a lot, but some sprinkled in there. Now, my overall thought of our fragrance is this is more softer and refined than the original La Vie Est Belle, because I have La Vie Est Belle and I also have Idole, which is different, but the original La Vie Est Belle, it is like softer. With that in mind, if you have the original La Vie Est Belle, you'll know the praline and patchouli are very prominent in the original La Vie Est Belle. So this one is more like cozy, it's clean. You might think it's a bit basic or linear compared to the original, but that's only if you compare it. If you let it sit alone, you'll think, okay, this is like nice, creamy, vanilla, it's smooth, it's that girl. So it does share a lot of the same like floral DNA as the original La Vie Est Belle, but again, I can't stress this enough. The original one is a lot heavier. This one is like lighter, softer, and it's clean with like the soft musk. Is it a great blind buy? I don't know, this is a tough one for me. If you like vanilla scents with like a soft, musky warmth, or you want something cozy or elegant for like cooler months, this is a very safe blind buy. But if you prefer like bold projection or something that's complex with gourmands that blend with spice or heavy woods, consider sampling this first. You know I'm big on sampling fragrances. I have a bunch of these. I always try, well, most of the time, I try like the smaller ones to see if it's something I would like to buy the larger one for. So for me, honestly, will I be buying the larger version of this? I won't. I already have enough layered vanilla scents with these notes, so I don't feel the need to branch out into actually purchasing it myself. I can love it for what it is in the sample size, but I'm not going to extend past there. So with all of that being said, if you're looking for a cozy, elegant, approachable, modern vanilla scent that bridges sweetness with sophistication for a nice balance, it's warm without being heavy, and it makes a beautiful signature scent, especially in the cooler seasons, I got you. This is her. If not, keep it moving. If you haven't done so already, I need you to stop doing what you're doing and hit that subscribe button. And until then, I will see you in the next video. Toodaloo, Scent Squad.